on the dais to light the lamp and symbolically inaugurate this program. Thank you. This grateful occasion of today's program, I request all of you stand up for our university song. It's an honor for us that this beautiful evening paid attention for you, sir. We set our own standards, strive to reach them and elevated ourselves to the higher planes. The learning, evolving and the efforts will never cease. Education is not acquisition of knowledge, but formation of character. This is our motto of the college. Okay, next I would like to invite Dr. Sri Nadirya Chandramouli Garu for preceding welcoming address.
Good evening, everybody. Dear Chief Guest, Shri G. Nageshwara Garu, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Markapur, Shri Vijay Vinay Kumar Garu, Commissioner of Income Tax, retired, Sri Narayan Reddy Garu, ex-professor at Acharya Engineering Agriculture University, and other guests, staff members, and my dear students. You are all welcome to the first annual day of MS Agriculture College. Today is a very special day as we are celebrating first annual day, and it is very emotional and proud moment for everybody here. So on this occasion, I would like to brief about, a short brief about the society on which two colleges are running here. Sri NS Educational Society was established in 1997 by my father, Sri Nadala Subramanian Garu. This society has taken up several initiatives, including providing financial assistance to poor merit students, conducting medical camps, constructing temples, and supplying drinking water to slum areas, mainly in the summer. I am proud to say that we are successfully running all these programs since last 20 years. Okay, so as you all know, this area like Pachima Prakasham, so this western Prakasham district is in a backward area, mainly due to a low rainfall. My father had an ambition to start an agricultural institution in this area to improve cultivative activities in this region. I strongly believe that through this institution, all farmers in and around this region are going to get benefited in near future. And for the students' sake, I think every student must have a goal. So when you have if you set a goal, first you need to have an action plan for the goal. For an action plan, you need to chart out in depth of the steps which are required to reach the goal. I hope you all have a goal. If not, please set a goal immediately. Thank you.
Next, I request our Associate Dean Dr. G. Subbareddy Garu for preceding college report.
Welcome all the dignitaries on the dais, and similarly we all welcome to our Markapuram personalities. Especially they are very busy in their works, but with our request, they have all come to celebrate our first anniversary college day celebrations. And similarly to all of our students, including girls and boys, we are all happy here to spend our celebrations during this evening hours. So I will just speak out about the college and the activities what we have done all the days during this year. So agricultural production is the only source for feeding enormous population growth in India as well as in the world. In Andhra Pradesh as well as in India, agriculture is the chief source of income and main occupation. Andhra Pradesh is blessed with a suitable weather to produce varieties of crops. Only the requirement here is to know the technology of the crop production, post-harvest technology and organic production for getting remunerative prices. Hence, there is a lot of need to educate the students in a systematic way by following norms governed by Agricultural University and as well as Indian Council of Agricultural Research. On this similar system, our NS Agricultural College is running to educate the graduates and improve the backward areas of Andhra Pradesh. It is one of the six private agricultural colleges affiliated to Acharya Engineering Agricultural University. It is a 4 years honorable degree with 2 semesters per year. Final year students will be involved in rural agricultural work experience program and experimental learning program. Our college has well equipped with teaching staff. Our college farm has 110 acres of land with organic system of farming with the drip irrigation availability system. We have sufficiently well equipped laboratory facilities as well as equally well-established library. Infrastructure of college includes academic section, girls hostel, boys hostels, sports and transport facility. Classrooms provided with LCD projectors, staff rooms, conference halls, computer lab and examination halls are all provided. Hostels are provided with mineral water facility and well-maintained canteen, 24 hours electricity supply service in hostels and with 125 kV generator for backward power supply. The transport service provided to the university, to the students to visit fields, educational tours. Hostels are provided with indoor games such as classrooms, chess, caroms, and outdoor games like ball badminton, volleyball, and cricket. Medical aid facility is provided to the students at emergency with fixed consultancy lady doctor and gent doctor at Markapuram. E-resource center is provided with the campus for easy surfing for teachers. Sufficient staff got appointed on regular basis to strengthen the faculty position at the campus. 5 borewells are dug out in the farm and irrigation is through drip system. The total of 2.5 acres of land allotted for crop cafeteria. Field crops like rice, sorghum, cotton, red gram and minor millet sown and forest trees such as Malabar neem, teak, red sanders and sandalwood are at 5 years age under organic nutrition in drip irrigation with the drip irrigation system. There are 32 students and 40 girls and a total of 72 in the first year BSc Honours Agriculture course and 30 boys, 39 girls and a total of 69 in second year agriculture course and 24 boys and 45 girls with a total 69 in third year agriculture course. Toppers list during 2016-17 batch, first rank Kumari Divyasri, S. Divyasri with 8.47 OGPA out of 10 OGPA. Then second rank student Kumari A. Sindhuja with 8.21 OGPA out of 10 OGPA. Then third rank Sri I. Praveen Kumar 8.16 OGPA out of 10. Then 2017-18 batch second year students, first rank Kumari Bhavana Bhuvaneswari with 8.6 OGPA. Then second rank student Kumari Divyasri 8.4. Then the similar 8.4 OGPA got by G. Harinath Reddy. Then same OGPA 8.4 got by Maheshwar Reddy, V. Maheshwar Reddy. Then third rank Kumari Abhigna 8.3 OGPA. Then same 8.3 OGPA got by Kumari A. Josna. And teaching, there are 26 teachers and non-teaching 17 members are working in the college. As per university norms, our staff members are also working with additional duties such as officer in charge on academic matters, officer in charge on student affairs, officer in charge for placement cell, hostel wardens, assistant warden, caretaker, NSS program officer, NCC program officer, all additional charge duties are given to the staff members. Then report on Department of Information Resource Center. Total of valuable books are available in our library center is 3,850 and journals, magazines and newspapers are provided in the library. All the students and teachers having library membership. Then best library user students are Kumari P. Kavya Deepika. Then next best library user Sheikh Rajia. These girls both are from third year agriculture. Event events organized by Department of Information and Resource Center are National Library Week, essay writing competition, elocution competition, poster presentation. The National Library Week competitions conducted all these three programs: essay writing, elocution, poster presentation, and then NSS activities. Swachh Bharat program they conducted on 29 September 2018 with all the agricultural students. Blood donation camp conducted on 25th September 2018, and Independence Day teachers and students were participated. Freshers Day conducted on 20th November 2018. Republic Day, all students and teachers participated. National Education Day celebrated on 3rd December 2018 on the eve of Dr. Rajendra Prasad birth anniversary. Then Inter-Colleges Sports Games Cultural and Literacy Meet 2018-19 conducted at Badwell. Our students were participated. National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Divas was celebrated on 31st October 2018. Paid tribute to Iron Man of India, Dr. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Then Voters Awareness Campaign to Farmers 2018 conducted at Pedda Bommalapuram village, Dornala Mandal, Prakasam district. 60 farmers are participated. At our college, voter awareness campaign was conducted on 21st February 2019. About 52 students were participated. Then awareness campaign on fall armyworm. It is an insect, alarming insect, damaged a lot on maize, sorghum crops. Demonstration was conducted on identification and management product practices on fall armyworm in maize, sweet corn, sorghum and bajra was organized at Pedda Bommalapuram. Bulletin on this pest and its control was distributed to the needy farmers. International Women's Day conducted on 8th March 2019 with a theme of balance for better and enlighten the qualities of successful women. Disaster management training program. Our college and involvement of Indian Red Cross Society organized training program on disaster management and first aid program from 21st to 23rd February 2019 and guided the students about management of snake bite and first aid control measures. Andhra Pradesh educational tour. Students visited Regional Agricultural Research Station Nandyal, Agricultural College Mahanandi, Krishi Vijnana Kendra Darsi, Biological Lab Ongolu and Buffalo Research Station at Venkataramanagudam near Kademaligudam. Visit to eminent personalities. Visit of eminent personalities. Sri Yandamuri Virendranath taken motivation class, and again Sri J.D. Lakshminarayana IPS given speech on modern techniques, scope and importance of agriculture. Sri Akula Venkataramana IAS officer given guidance how to prepare for civil service examinations. Sri Gampa Nageswarrao Garu, a psychologist, given training on personality development to students on 23rd March 2019, visited by university officers. Dean of Agriculture, Dean of Student Affairs, Control of Examinations visited our college and interacted with the students on their academic and non-academic matters. Anti-ragging camp, Police Department officers, Markapuram, organized it on 18 September 2018. Anti-ragging teams, staff members were organized teams to visit hostels to check the safetiness of the fresh batch students. Emergency call unit and first aid kit is maintained by wardens and half the healthcare of students with medicines. So these are all the activities conducted during the last year, and this is the report submitted to the dignitaries. Thank you very much.
For your elaborated annual report. Really, it is very informative. Now it is time for much awaited event, release of our College Day magazine Akshaya 2019 by our dignitaries. It's my privilege to welcome all dignitaries to unveil the